Okay, so that was a good read. So let's do this. Um, Sam, you've been isolated most of your life. Your parents did not allow you to go out with friends or do anything like that. In fact, you don't have a good relationship with your parents. But the only good thing you do have is every Sunday you spend time with your dad watching baseball. So that's a connection you have. And Jennifer, um, you're anxious, right? Because you have been struggling to find the right person to open yourself up with, right? So every time you feel a connection with someone, you distance yourself. Okay. All right, let's go for a take.